Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out a new mousetrap kit available on Amazon that's directly related to a video I recently posted about the Quicksand mousetrap. That video has been really popular. It's received over 1 million views in the last week. It didn't take long, a few days, and someone came up with a kit you can purchase all in one. All you have to do is add water. It comes with a bucket, perlite, bait, a ramp. Now let's open up this box and see what it looks like. So here's what you're going to receive in your Quicksand mousetrap kit. You have a jar here, it looks like it's about gallon size. You take off the lid. We have a package of perlite, a ramp, some bait, and instructions. The instructions are pretty helpful in setting up this trap. It says there's a red line there, that's what you fill the water level to. Take off the lid and fill it with water. We filled our jar to the red line. Now the instructions say to add the perlite. It says add a liberal amount. You want to add enough that it looks solid and the mice will jump onto it. So let's open up the package and put in the perlite. Dusty. This Rheincorp Quicksand mousetrap also comes with a plastic ramp. It's pretty easy to put together because they color coordinated it where it fits together. 2 red dots, 2 white dots. There's a red dot there. White dot. This plastic ramp has grooves. It'll be easy for the mice to come up. They'll go up like this, be like a little diving board. Want to get the bait, jump inside, sink to the bottom. Now the last part of this kit is the bait. This mix is pretty interesting. It almost looks like dog food or cat food. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, wheat, corn, pellets. Mice are going to love this stuff. You don't put the bait on till the very end. So let's go set this up and then we'll put the bait, set up the motion cameras, see if we can get some wild mice in the Quicksand mousetrap kit. To help encourage the mice to go up the ramp, I have a little peanut butter. I'll just dab here. And then we pour the bait right on top. That's the last step. That's going to be really enticing to the mice. Let's see if it works. It's now the next morning and I came to check on the trap. There's some interesting results. Now there's no mice in here. We didn't catch any mice, but that is user error. I reviewed the motion camera footage and what happened is mice came up here, jumped down, but the perlite offered too much resistance. This is clearly too much perlite. They can walk on it and jump back out. The water looks pretty gross. It's a greenish color. I'm going to dump all that out, take out the perlite, put on some sunflower seeds, reset this, and I'm sure tonight it will work. Time to set up for round 2. I put the water lower than that red line. Just going to do a handful of perlite here, just enough to make that bait float. I'm going to use sunflower seeds as the only bait. That should be enough. And then I'll put the sunflower seeds right on top. That's going to act much more like a Quicksand mousetrap than jumping on a waterbed and getting out. It's now the next morning. I went to go check on our Quicksand mousetrap kit and there are 2 mice in this trap, so it works well. You'll notice the water level is below where I set it the night before. That's because when I went to go check on it before bed, we had already caught 1 mouse, but a rat was stealing a lot of the bait. I lowered the water level hoping maybe we could get a rat. We didn't, but another mouse came in, smelled that bait, jumped down there. So the water level is not important as long as it's below that red line. And make sure you have only a thin layer of perlite. If it's too thick, the mice can jump out of it. Just enough perlite to hold on your bait. I like the sunflower seeds. This trap worked really well. A lot of people want to see the footage of the trap in action. I can't show that in this video. With YouTube's restrictions, they're really cracking down on advertiser-friendly policy. So if you see the previous video I posted, there's going to be a link where you can see more action footage of this trap if you want to see that. Now in filming the video for this trap, I tried something new. A lot of people want to know how I film my videos, what equipment I use. So I did a step-by-step, basically vlog or how to film a Mousetrap Monday video. That video is coming out next week, and you'll see everything from coming up with the idea, purchasing the trap, filming every scene, the equipment I use. So if you're interested in a behind-the-scenes look, stay tuned, because next week there's going to be a video in depth how I filmed this Quicksand Mousetrap Kit video. Thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. The channel's growing like crazy, and I have so many traps I want to test out. So stay tuned. I'm working up to 4 or 5 videos a week.